Hi, on this journey that I've been on, I have received very many questions that all relate to how do I grow the money that I have received? What investment options are available for me? And so we have started a new segment, which is investment chats. And what I will be doing is going out to speak to experts in different sectors that offer us amazing opportunities where investments are concerned. And so right now I am at the Nairobi Securities Exchange to discuss all things NSE and what products they have for you and for me to be able to invest in that we can grow our wealth in. And I am excited because I'm going to be speaking to a very good friend of mine. We've grown together in this market over the years. His name is David Wagema, and he'll be breaking things down for us. And we start in this show. This is Investment Chats with Moneywise, and I am Rina Hicks. All the numbers scrolling behind us, and I'm so excited about this talk we're going to have today, this chat I'm going to have, and I'll let you introduce yourself to the guys watching the video.
All right, thank you so much, Rina. It's such an honor to be part of Moneywise with Rina Hicks. So I'm Irongo Agema. I work at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. I've been here for the past 12 years, and it has been quite a role and a good time to actually be in the exchange. And I believe that this is yet even the best time, even for us, even as an economy, and for us to see the role of the exchange to every person. So I'm really excited to be in the show, and I look forward to a good interaction.
Great.
Yes.
So, some people have heard me talk about the exchange and stock market and hear all the different things that you can invest in within the stock exchange and how exciting it is and how they can make money, but they don't understand who is the Nairobi Securities Exchange. What is the N.S.E. and what do you do?
All right. Okay. I think I bear witness with those guys because even myself at home, sometimes you're watching TV and then you just start seeing those numbers of Mumias going up, going down, and people are like, it's time to take a break. Yeah, because it's so complicated, or maybe it is perceived to be complicated. But what I'm here to say is that it is not as complicated as it is, as it appears to be. So the Nairobi Securities Exchange is just a market like any other. So what we trade are securities. What that simply means is that the way you'd go to a supermarket, the way you'd go to an open air market, Marikiti, or any other market, is the same thing that we have at the Securities Exchange. So we are trading. The only difference is what we trade, or what is being sold or bought, and then secondly, how it is being done. So the NSE, first of all, is an auction market. Unlike the supermarket where the prices are fixed, in the stock market, the prices are not fixed. So we actually get to discover what is the price of a particular share. That's why sometimes you hear the price has gone up, the price has gone down. There are no fixed prices. And then secondly, it is what we trade. We don't trade physical goods. What we trade are securities. Securities are financial instruments that are tradable, or that people can buy or invest in. So that's why our slogan is discover opportunity, where you can actually invest in companies. So like a share is really a unit of ownership of a company. So if you are to take the company like a big pie or a big pizza or a big cake, and then you're just getting a small share of it. So those are the shares that people trade. And once you've gotten a unit of ownership in a company, when the company makes a profit, you also share in terms of getting a dividend, or if the price goes up, or after you've bought it, you actually are able to take advantage of it. If it goes down, it makes a loss. Again, you'd also make a loss to yourself. And then you also have bonds, and bonds is simply a loan that you give, say, to a corporate. So for example, if Safaricom has a Safaricom bond or Mabati Rollings, you actually give them some money, they do business with it, and then at the end of the period they pay you back. But also on regular intervals, also they give you some of the interest, which we call maybe coupon, or also the interest. So we have those two, but we also have other exciting products. We have
In fact, I'm going to stop you right there.
Yes.
I want us to break down those products simply and easily. I hope you've enjoyed that video and learnt a lot more about who the NSE is. Next video, we're going to be looking at the history. Where did this Nairobi Securities Exchange come from? So we'll be looking at the history. So subscribe, share this video if you enjoyed listening to it, and if you've learned something, share it with your friends and with your family. And subscribe, guys, because there's lovely information coming. We're going to do a series of videos on all things exchange, and I'll be talking about products as well. So stay tuned. This is Investment Chats with Moneywise, and I am Rina Hicks.